This is a quick video on how to use the NICE online resources. We'll start on the home page. When you land on the home page, the first thing you see is a map, the Canadian map. You click on it. It will then give you the ability to filter out and see the resources by province. You can also see all resources and Canadian level resources. Go back to home. Below the map are the featured postings, and these are ones that we're pointing more attention towards. When you're here and it tells you what it's going to do. If it's a NICE tool set that you're opening, it'll show the link Open NICE Tool, which will take you right to the tool where you can print or share it. I've highlighted the yellow back button so that you can get back to where you were. If it's a video that you're opening, it'll open on the NICEnet site, and you can play it right on the site. Again, the yellow sort of makes it easy to get back to where you were. And then in the case that it's a resource link outside of our site, click on here and it opens the Canadian government site in this case. So those are the three examples. You're either opening a tool, a video, or an outside link. On the right-hand side, we've got About NICE, and then we've got the latest postings. And these are just in sequence of the last ones that were posted. Okay, let's go in under Map. We'll look at all resources. When you open it up under all resources, it does what it says. It opens them all. At the bottom here on the left-hand side, this is the form for filtering the results. It says we got 29 of 29 results. So if we just do a quick test here, let's just look for caregiving. We've now got 3 of 29. Each of these is a tool with a link to open it. Okay, if you unclick it, it's back to 29 of 29. So let's just do a quick test on everything to do with taxes. Everything to do with, and each time you put a letter in, it searches. So if we were looking for dementia, it's picked up dementia here, dementia in the video, dementia here. So the search is very, very fast. We're back to 29 out of 29. Let's just look at British Columbia. Got 2 out of 29 here. You could always just reset to get back to get the full list. And of course, these are obvious, all the different categories. And you can see here that online tools are mixed with external links to videos and websites. So this one goes to an outside site for the Canadian government. This shows a video on our site. Okay, so reset again. We're back to 29 of 29. Just do the NICE tools that have been loaded. And if you just want to get just the videos. And little things to make it easy to navigate. When you click, I've highlighted the back button. So as you search the site and you go to different pages, other than the external pages, you can get back and forth pretty quickly. So just in recapping, the map gets you to the provinces, which just fills in this and brings up the province records. There's the featured postings and the latest postings. And that's where we're at right at the moment.